Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Explained channel. Here I am going to discuss details of INS Vikrant, that is Indian naval ship Vikrant, which is the first Indian indigenously developed aircraft carrier warship. And here earlier before this one, the another carrier ship India was purchased from the Russia, that is INS Vikramaditya, and this is the first indigenously developed carrier warship. These details of this I am going to discuss in this session. Kindly subscribe Engineering Explained channel. If you have subscribed already, kindly share and comment. This ship has height of 59 meters, length 262 meters, width 62 meters. It can carry weight to 40,000 tons, and later it will be saying that it can carry up to 45,000 tons. And it has a 14 decks with 18 floors, and different the carrier statistics are: crew 1700 crews, compartments 2300, performance top speed 2800 nautical miles, cruising speed 18 nautical miles, endurance 7500 nautical miles, up to that it can travel. Weaponry, it can carry 34 fixed wing and rotor aircraft, MiG-29K fighter aircraft, Como 31 air early warning helicopters, American-built MH-60R multi-role helicopters, indigenously built advanced light helicopters. This can be carried by this warship. The details I am further going to discuss. INS Vikrant is India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, commissioned in 2022. It is a 262-meter long vessel with displacement of around 45,000 tons and can carry up to 36 aircraft. The carrier is designed for a crew of 1700, including women officers, and features extensive facilities such as a 16-bed hospital and a large aviation hangar. Key features of INS Vikrant: length to 62 meters, that is 860 feet. Beam, that is a width 62 meters, 203 feet. Displacement approximately 45,000 tons. Capacity can carry up to 36 aircraft, including MiG-29K fighters, MH-60R helicopters, and ALH and LCA Navy helicopters. Crew accommodation: 18 floors, 14 docks with 2,300 compartments for a crew of around 1,700, including dedicated cabins for women officers. Speed to the 28 knots nautical miles maximum, 18 nautical miles for cruising speed. Endurance 7,500 nautical miles on single charge. Flight deck designed as a stopper, as a short takeoff but arrested recovery. For the takeoff, it will be a short takeoff. For that, the sky jump launchers are used. For the short takeoffs, sky jump launchers are used, and but arrested wires are used for the arrested recovery. That means during the landing, there is a arresting for the short distance landing. Okay, the arresters are used here. Those are the wires are used as the recoveries. Amenities includes a 16-bed hospital, operation theaters, ICU, and isolation wards. Indigenous content: 76% of ship's components are indigenously manufactured. The 76% components are manufactured in India only. Remaining, the only 24% the components are brought from the other countries. That is the indigenous what the India is having the capacity. This is about the that Highness Vikrant warship. It will be having the all this width, length, and height, all these things we have discussed. And here the two things what we know, that for the fighter aircraft to take off, okay, that is whatever the facility used. There is a sky jump, that is a taper towards the upward. There is a sky jump facility for the short takeoff that is used, and for the landing, the arrested carriers what are there? These are arrested. The hooks are provided on that one. For the shorter distance landing, it can be used it. Okay, that will be arrest its movement. This is, and here the whatever the 14 decks are there below this one, the below this 14 decks and 18 floors are there, and all the facilities for the 1700 crews, including the amenities and compartments, are located below this one. Purpose and significance of INS Vikrant. INS Vikrant is a key component of Indian Navy's efforts to establish a blue water force and become a net security provider in the Indian Ocean region. The ship's indigenous design and construction are significant step towards India's self-reliance in shipbuilding and naval defense. It is designed to support various naval operations, including maritime surveillance, anti-submarine warfare, and air defense. This is about the INS Vikrant, and their details of the operation we can take in the further session. And this presentation will give the brief idea about the INS Vikrant Wasif. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe, and comment.